Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change default board labels in monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to monday.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you to your main monday.com dashboard where you can access all your workspaces and boards. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Administration. This will take you into the backend settings area where you can customize various aspects of your monday.com workspace, including board labels and other default settings. Once you're in the administration section, direct your attention to the left panel. You'll see a list of different administrative categories here. Click on Customization to expand that section. This is where monday.com lets you personalize different elements of your workspace to match your specific workflow needs. After clicking Customization, you'll see additional options appear. From these options, select Boards. This will open up the board customization settings where you can modify default labels and other board-related preferences. Now you'll see a list of label fields that you can customize. These are the default labels that appear across your boards, and changing them here will update them globally throughout your workspace. Type your new label text directly into every field you want to customize. As you enter your new labels, make sure they clearly reflect the way you and your team work. Each label should be specific and meaningful for your workflow so everyone understands what they represent at a glance. If you need to adjust additional labels or make further changes, just repeat the steps as needed. Go through each field carefully and update any other labels that require modification. This ensures all your board defaults are consistent and aligned with your team's terminology and processes. Once you've finished entering all your new label text and you're satisfied with the changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button that says Save Changes. Click on it to apply all the modifications you just made. This will update the default board labels across your entire monday.com workspace, so any new boards created from this point forward will use your customized labels instead of the generic defaults. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default board labels in monday.com. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.